She's a superstar.
Incredible.
Love to see it.
Oh, amazing. Amazing. Will, thank you. Well, stay with us. I'll have the latest weather details next. But first, here's a look at tomorrow's speed cameras.
Wake up and laugh with Adelaide's #1 breakfast show.
Rudits and Laws, weekdays on 104.7 Triple M.
For the latest Adelaide news and traffic.
Time for a look at the weather now, and we scored another picture-perfect sunny day here across Adelaide. We hit our top of 28 degrees at around 4 this afternoon after a mild overnight low of 15, and right now it's 26 degrees. Across the suburbs today, temperatures sat in the mid to high 20s, 28 degrees in Elizabeth and Noarlunga, Glenelg climbing to a lovely 25 degrees. In the north of the state today, Ceduna reached a top of 26 degrees, Port Lincoln made 24 and Clare reached 29 degrees. If we take a look further south, Nuriutpa made 30 degrees today, but Hindmarsh Island topped out at 22. Taking a look interstate tomorrow, possible storms in Sydney and 25 degrees, storms in Brisbane with a top of 30, cooler in Melbourne, just 23 degrees, 20 for Hobart and a top of 36 in Perth. Back home and across the north of our state, windy and sunny in Coober Pedy tomorrow with a top of 30 degrees, 31 the top for Roxby Downs, and Wyalla's headed for a windy 22. Heading south now, and possible showers for Kingscote with 20 degrees tomorrow, 24 in Narracourt with a shower or two, and 20 degrees is the expected top for Mount Gambier. There is a wind warning tomorrow for the upper and lower southeast coast, right along the south coast and also the Adelaide metro area, where winds will be southerly up to 30 knots and seas will be around 2.5 metres. Across Adelaide's suburbs tomorrow, we're looking at a top of 23 degrees and partly cloudy tomorrow in Elizabeth. Windy in Glenelg with a top of 22 degrees. Noarlunga is headed for a partly cloudy 21 degrees and possible showers in Mount Barker with just 19 degrees the top. In the city, we're expecting a bit of cloud cover around tomorrow and a top of 22 degrees, then dropping down to an overnight low of 13 degrees. And then if we take a look ahead to that Christmas forecast, partly cloudy and 22 degrees for Christmas Eve tomorrow. We can still expect a possible late shower on Christmas Day, unfortunately with a top of 21 degrees though. Boxing Day is looking a little cloudy with a top of 23 degrees. Wednesday is headed for 26 and then things really start to warm up again. We're looking at 30 degrees on Thursday with just a few clouds, a mostly sunny 29 degrees on Friday and a sunny 30 degrees on Saturday. And that's all from the 9 News team for this Saturday. Thanks for your company. Good night.